Open floor plans look spacious, but you'll quickly hate the noise, echoes, and lack of privacy. Trendy sliding barn doors seem rustic, yet they never fully close and ruin sound insulation entirely. Carpet in bathrooms feels cozy initially, but quickly turns into a damp, moldy hygiene disaster zone. Glossy kitchen cabinets look luxurious in showrooms but show fingerprints, smudges, and scratches within hours daily. Massive garden tubs look elegant, but take ages to fill and waste water you'll never enjoy. Floating staircases photograph beautifully, yet dust accumulates, safety decreases, and cleaning them becomes a nightmare. Open shelving in kitchens seems aesthetic, until clutter, grease, and dust completely destroy your organized look. Trendy vessel sinks splash water everywhere, are uncomfortable for daily use, and feel impractical long-term. White grout floors may look modern, but they stain instantly and require endless, painful scrubbing maintenance. Recessed lighting everywhere seems sleek, but creates harsh shadows and uneven brightness throughout your entire home. Too many mirrors feel glamorous at first, then constantly remind you of smudges, fingerprints, and reflections. Built-in desks look functional, but limit furniture rearrangement and become obsolete as design trends evolve rapidly. Dark painted walls can feel moody, yet make spaces look smaller, depressing, and difficult to repaint properly. Glass shower doors without frames look minimal, but are magnets for soap scum and hard water. Trendy open bathrooms attached to bedrooms ruin privacy, comfort, and relaxation when sharing spaces with someone. Floating vanities appear modern, yet water splashes damage the walls and weaken brackets over time. Concrete floors seem industrial chic, but they're freezing, uncomfortable, and echo every single step you take. Overly modern kitchens with handleless cabinets confuse guests and frustrate you every morning searching for drawers. Huge windows look stunning, until privacy, heat, and cleaning them turn into endless frustrating challenges. Trendy black fixtures fade, chip, and show mineral stains faster than you'll ever be able to clean. Wallpaper behind sinks or stoves looks unique, but steam and splashes quickly destroy its entire texture. Trendy low furniture looks minimalist, but kills comfort, posture, and back support for everyday living. Fake ceiling beams look rustic online, but in real life, they attract dust and cheapen interiors. Unnecessary accent walls feel creative for a month, then make your room look permanently unbalanced visually. Marble countertops are luxurious, but stain, scratch, and etch from common kitchen ingredients instantly and permanently. Too many statement lights look glamorous, but overwhelm your eyes and clash with simple interior decor. Built-in aquariums look cool, but maintaining temperature, filtration, and cleanliness quickly becomes a stressful burden. Trendy sunken living rooms look retro but are tripping hazards and difficult to furnish effectively. Cheap laminate flooring peels quickly, fades unevenly, and lowers your home's overall long-term resale value. Indoor brick walls look industrial yet collect dust, are impossible to clean, and make rooms darker. Massive walk-in closets sound ideal but often waste space and encourage unnecessary clutter accumulation. All-white interiors photograph beautifully, but they age poorly and highlight every scratch, smudge, and imperfection. Kitchen islands too large make workflow harder and become awkward dead zones during daily meal prep. Decorative ceiling fans seem charming, yet they wobble, collect dust, and make too much annoying noise. Outdoor wood decks look warm initially but weather poorly, requiring constant maintenance, staining, and repairs. Built-in bathtubs under windows seem romantic, until condensation and mold permanently ruin your window frames. Complicated smart home systems promise convenience, but often glitch, frustrate, and quickly become outdated technology. Fake fireplaces look stylish but offer no warmth and make rooms feel hollow and unauthentic. Overly bright LED lighting makes interiors look sterile, uncomfortable, and eliminates cozy evening atmosphere completely. Huge foyers waste square footage that could serve far better as functional living or storage space. Over-decorated ceilings look extravagant, but make spaces heavy, busy, and impossible to repaint without professional help. Trendy matte black walls absorb light, shrink spaces visually, and make rooms feel dark and oppressive. Oversized furniture dominates rooms, limits movement, and destroys balance between comfort, function, and aesthetic beauty. Mirrored wardrobes look elegant, but they amplify clutter and require constant cleaning to maintain any shine. Built-in seating around windows feels cozy, yet cushions fade, and structure eventually warps over time. Cheap chandeliers look fancy online but bend, break, and lose crystals faster than expected post-installation. Trendy open shelving bathrooms expose every product, towel, and flaw, ruining the calm, clean, spa-like vibe. Skylights seem romantic but leak over time, fade furniture, and create unbearable heat during hot days. Fake plants everywhere look cheap, collect dust, and make your home feel lifeless instead of vibrant. Too many colors and patterns in decor overstimulate your mind and destroy visual flow and comfort.